Hello my dear friends, this is part 1 of the Todoist video series, and here we'll be knowing some basics of Todoist and simple steps of learning what all we get with Todoist. So let me click on the app. Now you can see the 3 bar icon on the side. Click on that. Among different settings, the first thing that I want you guys to know is a very key feature given in the settings, which forms the key basis of this amazing app, and that is the karma option. It's like about the support. It's in on position, so when you get the app it will always be in on position, and this is the default. I have not changed anything. So according to this, you have to do daily 5 tasks, weekly that is 25 tasks, keeping Sundays and Saturdays as your offs. So what exactly is karma? Karma forms the basis of Todoist. It tells you how much work you are doing. It is a scale on which your productivity is rated. For instance, you do a lot of tasks, like you cross off so many things from your to-do list in Todoist. To-do list in Todoist. Nice. So you cross a lot of stuff, and that means your karma level is gonna increase like anything. And that shows an increase. And I'll show you where you can find the karma level. And it's something like your gaming level as well. So as you proceed, you'll understand that. And I have felt this with Todoist is that at least for increasing my karma level or for that feeling of accomplishment, I tend to do my task. So that's a motivator, and it's like your game board scorer, like any of your favorite game. You want to beat your high score. Similar kind of concept with karma. So daily tasks are 5, and depending on your interest, on your work and your goals, you can change that up. I would suggest rather keep it 5 or go below it, but please don't go above it, because when we set up a to-do app, we get super pumped up. At least if not you, I get super pumped up, and I'll be like, yeah, I'll do this much, I'll do this, I'll do that, and I end up doing nothing and end up uninstalling the app because there will be so much on my to-do list that I won't accomplish it. So since I've failed in that sometimes, I'm here to tell you that you don't do that. As one of my greatest inspirer always said, don't read success stories, you'll just get a message from them. Read failure stories, because you'll get ideas to succeed. And this was one of India's greatest presidents ever, the people's president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And that's an amazing quote which I love. So apart from my love for quotes, let's get continuing. Now for few people, the off days vary. Like for some institutes it's Wednesday off, some places Thursday off, some places only Sunday off. But you want to give yourself off on different days. Like I have Sundays off, but I also want to give Saturdays as off for my daily goals. Then okay, just click on those days. Maybe I want to give Thursday off as well, so just click on those days. Those days your streaks are paused. What are streaks? Streaks are nothing but the days wherein it's like a continuous set of days wherein you are judged, like I do the task today, tomorrow, day after, and if I don't, sorry guys, I'm really sorry for the sound. Yeah, you do task today, tomorrow, but don't do it day after, then your streak is lost. Again, you have to restart it. So what streak gives you is a sense of accomplishment, a sense of momentum rather. So when you are on vacation and you don't achieve your goals, you feel so bad. That's when you can turn on the vacation mode. So that's an important thing, the karma. Let me go back. Now the 3 bar icon, let me click that again. So under this name Shra S, you can see there are 50 points, or whatever you call it, points or karma. That's the karma. It's the basic starting point. Okay, so we completed settings, and now we're gonna go to stuff called projects. So the movies to watch is something I guess I added. Yeah, yes, I added that. So these are the projects you can have, like depending on your interest. Maybe you are interested in cooking, maybe you're interested in something else as well, maybe you're interested in swimming. You can definitely add all those stuff into your projects. Maybe you are doing a big massive project for your school. I mean, just your summer assignment. You can have that as a project as well. And when that's done, you can archive it or delete it depending on your interest. So just go to the manage projects. You can add projects or you can edit projects. Let me first show you how to add projects. It's very simple. Just go click on add projects, give this project a name, choose from the amazing set of colors they give you. And for me, it's just like the color which symbolizes that project, or if I'm doing a dull project, I try to give it an amazing, awesome color, a color which brings out the happiness out of me or excitement out of me. So I use colors like that. Otherwise, if you think there is some color coding system that you follow, then definitely you can go according to that. But for me, I don't follow much of a color coding system, so it's just a simple thing. Just use one. No parent, add collaborator. So no parent, you can just make it as a sub project. You can go to no parent and then you can choose it as a sub project of the projects that you have. Maybe work. Under work, you have different projects, right? So you can just go and add this new project as a sub project. Add collaborators. So you can just search people, add from contacts and all. But I don't use sharing because currently not many of my friends and all used to do this because they love writing and using written checklists and all. And I don't need to collaborate with people for my goals. Current status. I'm not judging anyone. Please don't judge me. So it's like that, and then you can just click on this triangular icon and you can save it. So I'm just going to go back. Now you choose a project. It's personal name. You can just click on the 3 dot icons there, and you can either archive or delete it. If that is some projects like your summer project, which you would always want to see that you did it, just archive it. And some projects which you didn't like or something, you can delete it. So that's it. Let me go back and click done managing. Labels is a feature that is only for premium. So filters, there are different filters already assigned. Now if you can go to manage filters, you'll get this pop-up states that it's a premium feature. You can use this filters which has priority 1 to 4, all projects viewing, no due date projects, assigned to me, assigned to others. So how does filter help? See, filter helps you not go projects, what it tells you, going by the work you need to do. And filter helps you do work according to the priority. Maybe you want to get you just have 2 hours before you sleep, and then you have to do something that's really nice, productive. So you go and click on the priority 1. I don't have anything right now, but you'll see your first priority, and then you'll be like, okay, so this is my first priority. Within just 2 hours, what all I can do from first priority, I'll do it. So that's when priority 1 and all helps. Or if you have just half an hour spare with you, wherein you can give your full-time attention, but you can definitely do some other tasks. Maybe you can go to priority 4. Or just want to view all the list of tasks that they have, just click view all and stuff like that. So other than that, you just can see inbox today and next 7 days preview. And adding a to-do task would be the feature or the main motto of the next video. So till then guys, stay tuned. Okay, so let me go in. Make sure to let me know down in the comment section below which kind of videos you want me to make in near future. I'm actually planning to make a video on Fabulous, from the scratch. So if you guys are interested, definitely give this video a thumbs up. I just want to reach till 5 or 6 thumbs up because I have few subscribers, I guess. So maybe 6 to 10 thumbs ups, and I'll upload a video on Fabulous, which is an amazing app. And if you have been following my channel, you would know how much I love it because I tend to speak a lot about it. So that's done. Now definitely make sure to like, share and comment, as I already told you, and let me know how much you appreciate the content I'm making. And definitely do subscribe for different kinds of videos. Now, apart from this kind of videos, which I concentrate more on apps and my ongoing extension talk as well, I'm going to start the Blackboard story video series in a full swing way. And I'm planning to do videos on bucket list, like just setting up one or thinking about one, as well as getting rid of your online distractions, which I recently had to go through myself. So that's a kind of a rough update of what I want to make in the near future. So along this channel is not only about apps, right? In my channel description, in the about section on YouTube, you could see that it's all about DIY stuff, music, and all those things. But I've been focusing on apps a lot lately, so now I'm going to focus on other stuffs as well. So as soon as I complete this Todoist video series, which I guess will be 4 to 5 videos long approximately, and after that maybe I'll do fabulous, and after that it's gonna be full music, like inspirational music which I write out of my own mind. So definitely make sure to check those videos out. Okay, till then, stay tuned. Bye bye, and please do hit the subscribe button and let me know how much you appreciate this video. So that was all about the app Todoist. Let me see you the next time, and remember to be the truly unique you yourself, because no one else wants you to achieve